you are well, and welcome back to our channel World Games. A brand new challenge is ready. We already have 6 participants who are ready to accept this challenge. Today, we have long track at windmill area. For sure, you will see so many windmill there. Okay, let's see who will beat this challenge and how they gonna do it. Watch and enjoy this video till the end. Alright, without further ado, let this challenge begin.
I'm just getting started!
Our first participant is Goku. Ready and go! He is approaching moving object. Good! He passed it. Keep going. Windmills ahead. Good. Oops! He bumped the barrier. Just continue. He tried to avoid some barrier here. Nice! He did it! Just passing windmill. Going straight here. Now jump. Good! Another jump. Nice! Another windmill ahead. Good! He passed it! He is taking accelerator. Going up here. Now jump. Oops! Bad landing. Just continue again. Going straight and finish.
Let's do this!
Next, we have Iron Man. Ready? And here he goes. He is approaching some moving object. Good. Now windmill. Nice. Oops, he bumped the barrier. Just continue again. Right zigzag here. Okay, he passed it all. Passing another windmill. Going straight here. Now jump. Good. He jump again. Nice landing. Another windmill ahead. Nice. He is taking accelerator, going up here, and jump. Oh, too low. He cannot reach another track.
Say cheese!
Spiderman on the start line. Ready, and go! He is approaching some moving object. Good. Now windmill. Oops, he bumped the barrier. Keep going. Still trying to avoid some barrier here. Nice! Keep passing. Okay, just pass windmill there. Going straight here. Now jump. Good landing. Another jump. Nice. Another windmill ahead. Oh, he got hit by windmill. Luckily, he landed on the track. Alright, now jump here. Oops, bad landing. Okay, finish line ahead. And finish.
This is incredible!
You ready for this?
Next participant is Naruto. Ready? And here he goes. Some moving object ahead. Nice! Now windmill. Good! Right zigzag here to avoid some barrier. Good! He did it! One windmill ahead. Nice! Going straight here. Now jump. Good! Another jump. Nice! He is approaching another windmill. Good! Keep passing. Taking accelerator. Now jump. Oh, bad landing. Continue again. And finish.
My claws have been aching for some action.
Kamen Rider Kuga ready to start. Engine on. And go! He is approaching some moving object. Good! Now windmill. Whoa! He jumped over the barrier. Avoid some barrier here. Nice! One windmill ahead. Good! He passed it. Going straight here. Now jump. Nice landing. Another jump. Good. He just passed another windmill. He is taking accelerator. Now jump. Oops, he bumped the track. Now he cannot continue.
Let's go!
Finally, our last participant, Captain America. Ready? And here he goes. Some moving object ahead. Nice. Now windmill. Good. Right zigzag here. Still trying. Good. Another windmill ahead. Nice. He passed it. Going straight here. Now jump. Nice landing. Another jump. Good. Approaching another windmill. Nice. He passed it. Taking accelerator here. He jumped. Oops, bad landing.
Yo, give it a stage in a minute, I'ma eat you. El professor is in the house, let me teach you. I could defeat you with two hands tied and have you waking in the hospital like, who am I? And who are you? Who are they? What is this? You would never believe us when I react to this shit. The mind slips, slipping, speaking in tongues. Flying, Jimmy, that's how we get it done. 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 Flying, GDA, that's how we get it done.
Alright everybody, that's end of our challenge today. Congratulations to Goku, Spiderman, Naruto, and Captain America who are ready to success to beat this challenge. Look forward to another challenge on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe this channel, and share this video. But don't re-upload it, okay? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Stay safe and see you next time.